Our next question is that estimate the missing term in the following table. Now it is given a table x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and according to this we have fx as 0 for x is equal to 0, fx is 1, for x is equal to 1, f of x is equal to 3, and for x is equal to 2, f of x is equal to 9, for x is equal to 3, f of x we have to calculate, for x is equal to 4, f of x is equal to 81. So it is given in the question that we have to solve this fx for x is equal to 3. So how we will do this calculation? So first of all, see, we have given here 4 values of fx, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fifth one is unknown. So we are assuming that our polynomial fx has degree 3 because it has 4 values. That means one is for constant, one is for degree 1, one is for degree 2 and one is for degree 3. Total we have 4 values. So 4 values means that polynomial is of degree 3. Now if the polynomial has degree 3, that means that the fourth difference will be 0. Thus the fourth difference of fx vanishes. Vanishes means what? That delta raised to 4 f of x will get as 0. So now we have a relation that delta is equal to, or we have delta plus 1 is equal to e. So we can write that delta is nothing but e minus 1. So here delta is equal to e minus 1. So delta raised to 4 fx become e minus 1 raised to 4 fx, which is equal to 0. Now on expanding e minus 1 to the power 4, we are getting answer as e raised to 4 minus 4e cube plus 6e square minus 4e plus 1 f of x is equal to 0. Now e raised to 4 fx minus 4e cube fx plus 6e square fx minus 4e fx plus fx is equal to 0. Now we know the definition of this shifting operator. So we know that this shifting operator shift fx to the f of x plus 4, and e cube f of x is equal to f of x plus 3. E square f of x is equal to f of x plus 2, and e f of x is equal to f of x plus 1 plus f of x. Now we have to know what value of x we will put here, so we'll get answer. So here we know f of 4 is already known, f of 2 is known, f of 1 is known, and f of 0 is known. If I will put x is equal to 0, then what we will get? F of 4, f of 3, f of 2, f of 1 or f of 0. Instead of putting x is equal to 0, if I will put x is equal to minus 1, then what becomes? It becomes f of x, f of 3, f of 2, f of 1, f of 0, f of minus 1. But it is not mentioned in the question that what is the value of f of minus 1. So I will discard x is equal to minus 1. Again, if I have to write x is equal to 1, then also this first value become my f of 5. But here polynomial, if function is not defined, then how I will calculate x is equal to 5? So this is not possible. So instead of writing x is equal to 1, 2, 3 or any value, I am putting here x is equal to 0. So if I will put x is equal to 0, then this become f of 4 minus 4 times f of 3 plus 6 times f of 2 minus 4 times f of 1 plus f of 0 is equal to 0. Here my f of 4 is 81, f of 3 is equal to not known, f of 2 is 9, f of 1 is equal to 3, and f of 0 is equal to 1. So this is 81, f of 3 is not known, and 9 6 are 54, 4 3 is 12, 1 as it is I have to find, so I have taken it on right hand side. So this become my 124. So 4 f of 3 is 124. So f of 3 is 124 divided by 4. So f of 3 become my 31. So this is the way how we will find missing term from any table. I hope now you understand how to find missing term from any table. We'll do one more question of this type. Our next question is evaluate the missing term. We have given x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and fx is equal to 0, dash 8, 15, dash and 35. Solution. Here, since the 4 value of fx are given here, since the 4 value of fx are given, so we assume that the degree of polynomial is 3, and if the degree of polynomial is 3, then we know that its fourth difference will be 0. Therefore, the fourth difference vanish, that is delta raised to 4 f of x is equal to 0. This implies e minus 1 to the power 4 f of x is equal to 0. So from this we can write e raised to 4 f of, or e raised to 4 minus 4 times e cube plus 4e square minus 4e plus 1 f of x is equal to 0. This can be written as e to the power 4 f of x minus 4 e cube f of x plus 4 e square f of x minus 4e f of x plus f of x is equal to 0. So this is nothing but x plus 4. This is nothing but f of x plus 3. This is f of x plus 2. This become, so here it is 6, not 4. So 6 f of x plus 2 minus 4 f of x plus 1 plus f of x is equal to 0. So again we have to put two values of x. So we have x is from 0 to 0 to 5. So if I will put x is equal to 0, I know that all values are given in the question. So if I put x is equal to 0, then this become f of 4 minus 4 f of 3 plus 6 f of 2 minus 4 f of 1 plus f of 0. So we have to select x in such a way that all values should be given in the question. That only we have to select. If I have select x is equal to 0, then I know that I'm getting f of 0, f of 1, f of 2, f of 3 and f of 4, which is already given in the question. And if I will put x is equal to 1, then also it become 5, f of 5, f of 4, f of 3, f of 2 and f of 1. That is also known to me. So I will select x in such a way that all f of should be known to me. So this become my f of 4 is unknown. So I will write it as only, so f of 4 minus 4 times. My f of 3 is nothing but 15. So into 15 plus 6. F of 2 is 8. So into 8 minus 4 f of 1 is not given. So I will write it as it is only. F of 0 is 0. So this is equal to 0. So this become f of 4 minus 60 plus 48 minus 4 f of 1 is equal to 0. Or instead of writing f of 1, f of 4, you can give them name as a or b also. So let f of 1 is equal to a and f of 4 is equal to b. Then what happened? This become b minus 4a, b minus 4a is equal to 12. So this is the one relation we get from here. Now to find second one, now put x is equal to 1. If we put x is equal to 1, then we'll get f of 5 minus 4 times f of 4 plus 6 times f of 3 minus 4 times f of 2 plus f of 1 is equal to 0. And we have already values of this all entries. So f of 5 is nothing but 35 minus 4. F of 1 we have give name as B, plus 6. F of 3 is 15 minus 4. F of 2 is 8. F of 1 is A. This is equal to 0. So this is 35 minus 4B plus 90. 32 plus A is equal to 0. So this become minus 4B plus A is equal to 93. This is our equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2 we have 4B minus 4B plus A is equal to 93 and B minus 4A is equal to 12. So if we multiply this by 4, then our next new relation become 4B plus A is equal to 93 and 4B minus 16A is equal to 48. So this get cancelled. This become minus 15A and this become our, this was minus 93. So this is minus 93. This is minus 45. So A is equal to minus 45 upon minus 15. This implies A is equal to 3. So B is equal to 12 plus 4A. So 12 plus 4 into 3. So B is equal to 12 plus 12, which is equal to 24. So A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 24. Therefore F of 1 is equal to 3 and F of 4 is equal to 24. So we have found our missing term doing this type of calculation. So I hope now you understand how to find missing term. We'll do one more question in which x, see here we have done two question to find missing term in which every x is differ by 1 unit only. So first one is 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if there is a h is differ by 3 value, 4 value and 5 value, then how we will select x? Now this is next question where x is differ by 5 values. So here h is nothing but 5. So x1 is 10, x0 is 10, x1 is 15, x2 is 20, x3 is 25, x4 is 30 and x5 is 35. So here we can see that h is nothing but 5. So our difference is 5. And we have here 4 values are known. So what we can conclude, that here degree of polynomial is, so I am writing directly here degree of polynomial is 3. If degree of polynomial is 3, then fourth difference will be 0. So delta raised to 4 f of x is equal to 0. This is nothing but e minus 1 to the power 4 f of x is equal to 0. Again, on expanding this, e raised to 4 minus 4 e raised to 3 plus 6 e square minus 4e plus 1 is equal to f of x is equal to 0. So this is e raised to 4 f of x minus 4e cube f of x plus 6e square f of x minus 4e f of x plus f of x is equal to 0. So this become f of x plus 4. This become f of x plus 3. This become f of x plus 2. And this become f of x plus 1. And this is f of x is equal to 0. So here we have to see first that what value of x we will select, that this become, this f of value of x become one of this value, or we have to see that all value should be what we have given in the question. So how we will select this type of, in this type of question, how we will select the value of x? So from the given data we can see that the here interval is, the length of the each interval is 5. Now we can assume that if length of each interval is 5, then f of x plus 4, I can multiply 5 in each interval. So f of x plus 4 minus f of x plus 3 into 5 plus 6 f of x plus 2 into 5. So first of all you have to see what is the length of the interval, then you can multiply that value to this 4 f of x plus 1 into 5 plus f of x is equal to 0. So this become f of x plus 20 minus 4 f of x plus 15 plus 6 f of x plus 10 minus 4 f of x plus 5 plus f of x equal to 0. Now we can see that if I will put x is equal to 0, then all the function for each x is given in the question. So if x is equal to 20, then f of 20, f of 15, all is given in the question. And if I will put x is equal to 5, then f of 25, f of 20, and all values are also given. So but see, if I will put x is equal to 0, then f of 0 is not given. So I cannot start with f of x is equal to 0. And what about x is equal to 5? That also I cannot start because f of 5 is not given. So here I have to start with x is equal to 10. Why I am taking x is equal to 10? Because lowest value is this value, because in this nothing is added to this x. So I have to select this x accordingly that it should come in this. So here my lowest value is 10, so I am starting with 10. So f of x, so to find out this I am taking x is equal to 10. So if I take this, then this become 30 minus 4, 15 and 25 plus 6 f of 20 minus 4 f of 15 plus f of 10 is equal to 0. Suppose I am giving this name as A and this is equal to B. So f of 30 is 24.65 minus 4 into 23.52 plus 6 A minus 4 into 21.51 plus 19.97 is equal to 0. So from this I can easily calculate my A. So A is equal to 6A is equal to 135.5. This implies my A is equal to 135.5 divided by 6. This is equal to A is equal to 22.58. So this is the value of A. Similarly, we can find B also. So to find B, I am writing x is equal to 15. So if I will put x is equal to 15, then my first value become f of 35 minus 4 times f of 30 plus 6 times f of 25 minus 4 times f of 20 plus f of 15. So we always have to remember, we will select x on seeing last value, what is given in the last value, accordingly we will select value of x. Now f of 35 is not known, so I am writing this as B, minus 4 into f of 30 is 24.65 plus 6 into 23.52 minus 4 into 22.58 plus 21.51 is equal to 0. So my B become 26.29. Therefore f of 20 is equal to 22.58 and f of 35 is equal to 26.29. So we have calculated our missing term. Now these are the questions which you have to solve for this practical. There are 3 questions to find missing term from the given table. So you can see this question. In this question you have to find 1 missing term. In this question you have to find 2 missing term. Again in this question you have to find 1 missing term. So first of all you have to remember for which value you will, for which difference you will vanish the given polynomial. So here there are 6 value which is already given in the question. That means your polynomial has degree 5. So sixth difference will be 0. Here you have again polynomial. Here you have given it is 5 value to known. So fourth degree polynomial is already given in the question. So for fifth difference will vanish. Again here also it is same. Now there are some question to express the following polynomial in the factorial notation. Here already it is given that h is equal to 1. That means in the previous question you have seen that we are taking x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. In that question we are taking h is equal to 1 because every number is differ by 1. That is the length of the interval is 1 only. So you here also you have to select x accordingly. Here you have to select x as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Accordingly what is the power of the or what is the degree of the polynomial. So here these are the question which you have to solve.